Are you tired of seeing your favorite pieces of jewelry lose their shine and luster over time? If so, then you need to know the ultimate jewelry care tips that can help you keep your precious accessories looking as good as new for years to come. From cleaning to storage, these tips will ensure that your jewelry remains a timeless treasure that you can cherish forever. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline, and here on this channel we offer videos aimed at providing a more unisex approach to fashion, with a focus on quality and simplicity. Jewelry is not just an accessory, it is an investment. Whether you have inherited a family heirloom or purchased a piece of jewelry yourself, it is important to take care of it to maintain its shine and luster. Here are some essential tips you should know to keep your jewelry looking its best. When you are not wearing your jewelry, store it in a dry and safe place. Avoid storing your jewelry in a damp area, as it can cause tarnishing. You should also avoid storing your jewelry in direct sunlight or near a heat source, as it can damage the gemstones and metals. Avoid storing jewelry in a humid environment, as this can cause tarnishing and discoloration. Jewelry boxes or pouches with individual compartments are an excellent option for storing jewelry, as they prevent pieces from rubbing against each other, which can cause scratches and other damage. Cleaning your jewelry regularly will help maintain its shine and prevent tarnishing. Use a soft bristled brush to gently clean your jewelry. You can also use a jewelry cleaning solution to remove any dirt or grime. However, be careful not to use harsh chemicals, as it can damage your jewelry. It's important to use the appropriate cleaning method depending on the type of jewelry. For example, while a soft cloth may be suitable for cleaning gold or silver jewelry, it may not be adequate for cleaning delicate gemstones such as pearls or opals. Before you start your workout, remove your jewelry to prevent damage or loss. Sweat and friction can cause damage to the metal and stone settings. You should also remove your jewelry before swimming, as chlorine can discolor the metal and damage the gemstones. Not only can jewelry be damaged during physical activity, but it can also pose a safety hazard. For example, a necklace or bracelet can easily get caught on equipment or clothing, causing injury to the wearer. By removing jewelry before physical activity, you can ensure that it remains safe and undamaged. Getting your jewelry professionally cleaned once a year can help maintain its shine and luster. A professional jeweler can clean your jewelry using specialized equipment and ultrasonic cleaners to remove dirt and grime. Jewelry is more than just an accessory. It's a symbol of love, beauty, and memories. By following these ultimate jewelry care tips, you can ensure that your jewelry investment retains its value and beauty for years to come. Proper storage, regular cleaning, removal before physical activity, professional cleaning, and insurance are all essential components of jewelry care. Remember to always refer to the manufacturer's instructions or consult with a professional jeweler before cleaning or storing your jewelry. With proper care, your jewelry will continue to shine and bring joy for many years. For more ways in which to care for your accessories, check out this video on 6 tools. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time.